Good morning students. Today I have teach English speaking during important sentence how to speak. In this video I have now. Let's start important sentence speaking during how to use. Before I have now in this sentence what is Hindi meaning and what is English meaning. Hindi to English between all now. Okay, let's start. First of all you can say how are you. How are you mean आप कैसे हो. तो then आप क्या कहेंगे I am fine. मैं क्या हूँ ठीक हूँ. ओके I am fine. मैं ठीक हूँ. ओके I am fine मतलब मैं ठीक हूँ. What are you doing. आप क्या कर रहे हो. I am doing reading. I am. What are you doing. आप क्या कर रहे हो. In this time I am reading. Okay. Where are you going. I am going to London. I am going to Patna. I am going to Delhi. Anybody sentence. Where are you doing. Sorry, where are you going. Anybody person ask me कि my dear friend where are you going. Then you have to say reply I am going to Patna. Come here. Okay. Okay mother I have coming. Go there मतलब वहाँ जाओ. My dear son go there. Some work is your father. Okay. Please sit down. कृपया बैठ जाइए. Please sit down. Some important person in this auditorium has been coming. Please sit down and peacefully listen this lecture. Okay. Stand up. Important person auditorium has been coming. Please stand up. मतलब गेस्ट ऑडिटोरियम मतलब आ चुके हैं. आप खड़े हो जाइए. Listen to me. Listen to me. What is speaking and whatever I have been saying. Listen to me. हम कुछ भी कह रहे हैं आप मेरी बात को सुनिए. Look at this. Look at the. Look मतलब मुझे देखिए. Look at the board. Look at the board. Board after watching after English to Hindi meaning writing the board. Don't worry. चिंता मत करिए मतलब don't worry. This time this year preparation after you have get the exam definitely you 100% work hard definitely will be success in the exam. Okay. I don't know. मैं नहीं जानता. And get slowly speaking. Yes I don't know. What. Where are you from. This is the first time you have make. Then I know. English speaking during in this time I have been practicing. Practice during 1000 time mistake. Don't worry. I don't know मतलब मुझे नहीं पता. Yes I know. हाँ मुझे पता है. This person is there has been living. हाँ मुझे पता है वो आदमी वहाँ रहता है. ठीक है. Let's go. I know मतलब I know. This person is very good. From 10 year live in this place. I understand. In this time you have I understand मतलब मैं समझता हूँ. Then I reply. Then I understand English. Yes I understand English. And the person said to me anybody speak anybody tell and ask you can understand anything. And the person has been reply yes I can understand. Whatever from ask me. आप जो कुछ भी पूछिए मैं समझ जाऊंगा. ओके. I don't understand मैं नहीं समझता. I don't understand मैं नहीं समझता हूँ. हाँ ही हाँ कुछ भी लगाइए. ठीक है. I don't understand. Then the person said to me why do you not understand. In this time I have been speaking English understanding. Then I don't know what happened. All documents and country of the language is in English and you speaking English. Then the person said to me only I understand Hindi. Okay, this post is not for you, please go. Okay, what happened? All of sudden said to me, what happened mother? What happened मतलब क्या हुआ? And reply and some sentence make all of sudden. What happened my dear mother? अचानक मैंने कहा क्या हुआ मेरी माँ प्यारी माँ? This is the kite on the table. Okay, it is a small problem. I go stay. Okay, what happened? Okay, where are you late? Okay, where are you late? Okay, आपको देर क्यों हुई? Where are you late मतलब आपको देर क्यों हुई? Some friends has been stopped in the railway station when my coaching on time teaching after ending of the holiday, and some friends stop in the way and 30 minutes I have late in the way. Okay, let's see me मुझे देखने दो. what is doing there? Let's see me वहाँ क्या हो रहा है मुझे देखने दो. Okay, I am coming मैं आ रहा हूँ. Where are you coming from? Which time has been coming? Please tell me. मैं आ रहा हूँ मैं पटना से आ रहा हूँ. Come later call बाद में मुझे फोन करो. What happened? Come later call me क्या हुआ जो मुझे बाद में फोन करना. Now in this time please call. Okay, come me back मुझे वापस फोन करना. Okay, then I reply if you on time I have on my room, definitely come back I call you. Okay, where do you live? My dear brother, in this time where do you live? In this time I have live in Patna. Okay, if you want to anybody problem Patna is coming, please come in my home. Okay, nice to meet you. आपको मिलकर मुझे अच्छा लगा. आपसे मिलकर मुझे अच्छा लगा. आप लोगों को मिलकर मुझे अच्छा लगा. Nice to meet you. Okay, some question. Your look is very beautiful. First time I will shake hands. Nice to meet you. Then I say to you, okay, how are you? I am fine. What is your name? Anybody person is coming and question has been asked and communication English, and that's all. This video is like, subscribe, like, share and follow now. एक से एक वीडियो आएगा. धन्यवाद.